Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop recurring payments on Coinbase. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have maybe already set up recurring payments. Maybe you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum weekly, but then want to go ahead and actually stop those payments. Now, be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our Coinbase account, which looks like this right here. And so if you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to see these little buttons over here. Click on this one that's second from the right. Now on this page here, you're going to see this button here that says recurring buys. Just go ahead and click on that. As you can see in my case, I do have some recurring buys. I have one for Ethereum and then I have one for Bitcoin. The one that we're actually going to go ahead and stop is this Ethereum one. So go ahead and click on Ethereum. And then you're going to click on this button that says cancel recurring purchases. So once you go ahead and do that, you are going to stop recurring payments on your Coinbase account specific to this cryptocurrency asset. So if you want to go ahead and stop your Bitcoin payments, you just click on it and then click on cancel recurring purchase. So that right there, everyone, is how to stop recurring payments on Coinbase. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.